Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
Features around Teams that I think are worth mentioning. We have some pre-meeting options. If you haven't seen this within your tenant, it's on its way, but this allows you to change your background, use the blur features, change the devices that you're going to use for your mic or your webcam before you actually join the meeting. There's also features around the waiting room where we can now apply an image to the waiting room and have other content within the waiting room for meetings that have not yet started. Meeting reactions, probably the most productive tool of Teams. We can now send a little floating heart in the middle of a meeting and not cause any form of distraction whatsoever. And at the same time, you know, make someone feel good about themselves. So it's really important. Just joking. That's a pause for everyone to laugh and realize that this is a lame feature, I think. Yeah, little floating hearts. It'll make the world a better place with all the hate out there. All right, and then the last item is virtual breakout rooms. I shouldn't say this, but Zoom did this really, really well. Teams and Microsoft is coming. Personally, we've seen a little bit of issues. It's getting there. How's that? But it's not prime time. But it's coming, and it's a great idea. It's a great feature. Just needs a little bit more work. All right, admin features around Teams. There's more than this, but these are the key things I want to point out. There's new usage reports within the Teams admin center, so administrators take a look at that. And then we've gotten a bump on the team membership, so an individual team within the Teams client can now have up to 25,000 members within that team. And there's been major threshold changes on live events. I think it's up to maybe like 100,000 now. In Teams meetings, I think it's up to 50,000. I mean, the numbers just keep increasing, so stay tuned to those. Yammer updates. The proper update here is who cares? If you're using Yammer, don't touch. I'm just joking. So you Yammer guys, you're like a cult. I understand. You should be really excited that there's now a Yammer app in Teams. It's called Communities. So if you want to take a look at that, do a search for Communities, download the Yammer app, and it'll embed the Yammer interface within the Teams client. And then if you feel like arguing, call me and we'll talk about why you shouldn't be using Yammer versus Teams, because I love that debate. So